Greetings and salivations, everyone. I'm Krista, and welcome to C-Rad. Fisher and I went on a merch search at Ross the other day, so we're going to show you what we found in the store, and then I'm going to review for you what I brought home, so stay tuned. And hey, if you love our videos and want to see more, please subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future.
C-Rad.
Well, hello everyone. Welcome. We hope everyone's doing totally rad today. We're gonna start today's video with our little shopping trip from the other day. So yeah, let's do it. Let's go shopping. Hi everybody! So yeah, the Ross that we went to had a little bit of Grogu items and some other totally rad things, but I brought 3 different things home with me, starting with, yes, I got the t-shirt, the Today I Feel t-shirt. Point that down so you guys can see it in full. It's really cute, but it is not super comfy. It's that heavier, scratchier cotton material, and the neck's a little bit higher than I like, so Conrad might be getting another shirt, or I'll just wear it maybe in a few videos, but yeah, we'll probably share this one. But for $7 and the cuteness on the front of it, I couldn't resist. I also snagged the little bag clips. These are super adorable, and we're always running out of bag clips in the house, and I've been looking for these kind of all over the place. Walmart was supposed to have them, but they didn't. But $3.99 at Ross, not a bad price. Glad I was able to find those. I'll let you know how they hold up. They do have little magnets on the back of them, so I may actually take a couple of these to work my cabinet's metal, and that way I can use it inside that cabinet to hold things. But yeah, they'll probably definitely be used as chip clips here in the house. So, the last item that I got, it isn't Grogu, but it is Star Wars, and guys, I could not resist because this thing is just totally awesome. I got the little lightsaber. It's called the Scream Saber lightsaber, and yeah, it makes different sounds, and you can record your own voice on it. So, let's pull this puppy out so we can play with it. So, here it is out of the box, guys. That's really killer. It kind of reminds me of R2 there on the hilt, just the coloring. Now on the back it does have an on-off switch, and it has a demo mode and an actual mode. So we are going to turn it to the actual mode instead of off. And what you do is this little blue button here activates it. You got the full saber. And then you can turn it off. And then if you want to make different sound effects, turn it back on. And you hit this little button right here. And we've got Chewbacca. But that's not the fun part, guys. Watch. Ooh, it's like a ship sound. at you! Yoda. Porgs! Is that Jabba? BB-8! Jawas! Haha, it's Ewoks! Yep, yep! And then you got the regular sound. And then back to Chewbacca. So, turning that off for right now, you get all kinds of fun little sound effects. That's actually the best part of this lightsaber. And pardon my skills, guys, I don't have enough room in here. If I was out in the living room and could, you know, have a little bit more reach without bopping the heck out of the camera, we'd be good. But there is one other little kind of mode, and it's this little red button here. And on that red button, you can record your own sound effect. So we're going to turn it back on. Chewie's going to talk to us a little bit. So we're going to press this red button. And what should I say, guys? Totally rad? Let's try that. Ready? Totally rad!
Totally rad! Totally rad! Totally rad! Totally rad! Totally rad! Totally rad! Totally rad! Totally rad!
Totally rad! Let's try one more. Greetings and salivations!
Greetings and salivation! 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 Greetings. She have a lesson this meteor.
I have no clue what that little backwards thing at the end was, but that was hysterical. So guys, how totally fun is this? Oh, I love it, and it was only like $8, so I'm probably gonna get a lot of use out of this just for the sound effects alone. So, and yeah, now Fisher has his own lightsaber, and now I have mine, and it's just fitting that mine is just so hysterically totally rad. But yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And loved the shopping trip. We've got more of those coming up, and we had gone to SeaWorld last week, so we're going to be getting out of the house a little bit more. Hopefully doing more than just shopping videos, do SeaWorld, do a couple other places. But yeah, definitely stay tuned for those in the future. But in the meantime, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more awesome and totally rad things in the future, please subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us. And I guess there's only one thing left to say, right, Lightsaber? We'll
See you later. 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 See you later.